Is there money in counterfeit cough syrup? Oh my goodness, yes. 9 Texans are facing charges for illegally selling $52 million of counterfeit cough syrup with fake prescription labels like these for the last 7 years. Black market prices for cough syrup in major metro areas start at around $2,000 per pint, and they go as high as $15,000 per pint. The feds claim this gang made about $52 million over 7 years making their own fakes and selling them. So we know why they're in this business. But the problem, as with all fakes, is that they're sometimes deadly. In 2012 and 2013, a batch of fake cough syrup found in Pakistan killed 60 people and put 44 children in Paraguay in the hospital. The problem isn't that you'll get addicted, though that's a risk. It's that before you get addicted, you'll die from the fatal ingredients. Actually, compared to death, the risk of psychosis, seizures, and liver damage sounds marginally better. We at PSM are grateful to the great police work done to terminate this gang that allegedly sold its deadly counterfeits in Florida, Louisiana, Ohio, and Texas. And in particular, our thanks go to the FDA's Office of Criminal Investigation, the DEA, FBI, the Marshals, and all these local police departments that helped. You can read the indictment on our website, and we'll update you when these go to trial. If you want to stay updated about new episodes, click the subscribe button. We do a new episode every week about counterfeit medicines. There's often 20 or more counterfeit medicine stories that happen every week in the US that we don't have a chance to do a video about. To read about them, just go to our website and check out the story that has this week's date on it. Thanks, and see you at www.safemedicines.org.